Hey guys, I recently got a delivery of some new parts for my Jeep, and I wanted to take a minute to show them off. First up is the Oracle flush mount LED taillights for the Jeep Wrangler. These are designed to fit flush with the body of your Jeep to give extra clearance and are supposed to retain the factory blind spot monitoring system. So the first thing we need to do is remove the factory taillights. To do so, you'll need to remove two pieces of trim to reveal the 10mm bolts holding the taillights in place. Once you've removed the trim, remove the bolts. The taillights then come right out, and you'll just need to disconnect the factory wiring harness. Check out the look of no taillights. I actually kind of like it. Anyway, so the first thing we need to do once the taillights are out is remove the factory mounting bracket. This bracket is connected using 3 Phillips head screws. Once you remove the bracket, set it to the side as you'll use it with the Oracle taillights later. Next, if you have the blind spot monitoring system, you'll need to remove the side cover, which is connected with 2 Phillips head screws. Remove the cover and the bracket holding the blind spot sensor in place. Remove the sensor and disconnect it from the factory wiring harness. You can then set the factory taillight to the side. To connect the blind spot monitoring system again, we'll need to remove 9 Phillips head screws from the back of the Oracle taillight. With the taillight disassembled, you can remove the blind spot monitoring sensor bracket. We're going to set this to the side for a second, as I'm also going to replace the light panels on these with a set from Threedom. I chose the 1941 panels, but they have a ton of designs to choose from, and they fit right into the stock Oracle location. With those installed, we can move back to the sensors. Pop the sensor into the Oracle bracket and then connect it to the wiring harness. Once connected, you can set it back into place and reassemble the taillight. With the light reassembled, we can now install the factory mounting bracket using the screws provided in the kit from Oracle. It's important that you use the screws provided and not the factory ones. And that's it, our taillight is ready to be installed. One thing to note is the resistor. Since I already had LED taillights, I can just disconnect this piece. Okay, so let's get these installed. Installation is simple. First, connect the wiring harness. Then, hold the light in place and start to thread the bolt using your hands. Once it catches, tighten the bolt with your wrench, ensuring the light is in the proper place. Then, just reinstall your factory trim pieces and you're all set. Check out those new taillights. It's hard to even remember what they looked like before. But now check them out after. Okay everyone, hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for my review of how I enjoy these and if the blind spot monitoring system actually works. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe.